Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about best Ayurvedic fast relief treatment for Gathiya Rog. Gathiya is Hindi name for arthritis. It is progressive and highly debilitating disorder. There are more than 100 known forms of arthritis and all of these are severely damaging for joints' overall health. If any form of arthritis or Gathiya is not treated properly, it progresses, and most of these have potency to cause complete immobility. People have been using Ayurvedic medicine for Gathiya in India since a long time for good effects. These medicines not only relieve the frustrating symptoms of the problem, but on regular use reverse the damages caused by the problem. Regular and disciplined use of Ayurvedic herbs improves mobility and agility of a person and allows him to lead a normal life despite of arthritis. Herbs provide best Ayurvedic treatment for Gathiya Rog to person of any age and deliver safe and harmless results. Herbs address root causes of Gathiya. Different forms of Gathiya have different causing factors like aging, excessive uric acid, autoimmune disorder, infections, bone disorders, etc. Ayurvedic herbs handle these root causes along with symptoms to provide quick and long-lasting relief. Herbs are amazingly beneficial curative too. Gathiya damages joint organs like muscles, bones, cartilages to make joints painful, stiff and swollen. Herbs heal damaged joint organs and bring stability and movement. The range of joint motion diminishes due to damaging effects of Gathiya. Herbs are reckoned as best Ayurvedic treatment for Gathiya Rog as these improves range of joint motion and its strength and endurance as well. Due to Gathiya, joints can become deformed. This is advanced stage of the disorder, and in this stage joints move minimally. Herbs are so capable of treatment these even reduce deformity and correct joint mechanism to bring movement. Elderly and obese people are the ones suffering with immune system malfunction, thyroid problems, diabetes or bone disorders can use herbs to prevent onset of arthritis or Gathiya. Herbs are the best Ayurvedic treatment for Gathiya Rog as these provide various other benefits which keep entire musculoskeletal system strong. These improve metabolic rate and keep blood purified. Herbs also metabolize complex food items and suppress release of harmful acids and chemicals. These benefits help in preventing onset of Gathiya and also improve muscle mass and bone density. Ayurveda along with herbs also recommends changes in dietary and lifestyle regimen for most effective treatment. Healthy foods which are high on fiber, minerals and antioxidants help in improving efficacy of herbs. Foods rich in vitamins help body to utilize minerals and keep internal systems strong and upbeat. Healthy lifestyle is also very useful in treating and preventing Gathiya as per Ayurveda. Avoiding foods and drinks that slow down metabolism and supplement body with harmful calories and minerals like sodium is very helpful for best results. Acidic drinks like tea, coffee, alcohol, etc. shall also be avoided, and herbal teas, coconut water, fresh fruit juices shall be consumed more to maintain joints and internal system strong. Regular exercises as per body's limits are great for improving joint strength. Walking, swimming and walking in shallow water are few good exercises. There are few yoga poses, designed for handling Gathiya Rog and its effects over particular joint, also promote movement and bring strength in affected joints. With these practices, herbs provide best Ayurvedic treatment for Gathiya Rog and provide long-term riddance from symptoms of the problem. Rumacure capsules and oil are purely Ayurvedic supplements that come with most reliable and time-tested herbs as ingredients. These supplements in combination provide best Gathiya treatment in Ayurveda. Rumacure capsules come with nutritive herbs that fulfill nutritional requirements of the body by supplementing nutrients and antioxidants. These pills possess strong anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving herbs which suppress symptoms of Gathiya and promote movement. Rumacure capsules speed up tissue generation and repair damaged joint organs like bones, muscles, ligaments, tendons, bursae and cartilages to make them stronger. These pills delay tissue aging and keep synovial fluid clean to maintain joint mechanism healthy. Some of the herbs cleanse digestive tract, liver and kidneys to eliminate toxins and microbes and improve immune system functions. There are digestive herbs which suppress release of harmful acids and protect from crystal deposition in joints which lead to Gathiya. Rumacure oil is for fast relief from pain, swelling, stiffness and tenderness in joints. This oil also relieves redness and warmth in joints and promotes movement. Regular application of oil speeds up process of healing and bring joints to better health. Rumacure oil is excellent for relieving morning sickness, pain after period of rest, swelling after movement and improving joint endurance. This oil helps in increasing range of joint motion and improving its weight and pressure-bearing capacity. In combination, these supplements provide protection and cure for Gathiya Rog and handle all the forms of this disorder. These are safe and harmless and can be used by person of any age. You can find more details about Rumacure capsules and oil at ayushremedies.in. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update.